100-meter marker with Debra Wireless testing 1 2 3.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Shafe Tech. Today in this video I will be doing unboxing and review of Debra Wireless Microphone. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing. Without further ado, let's get started. At the end of this video, I will show you a comparison of voice recording without Debra Wireless and with Debra Wireless Microphone on 50-meter and 100-meter markers. So I request you to watch the complete video. I bought this product online from Aliexpress for $30. The shipping was fast and I am really impressed with the packaging. Let's take out all the contents inside the packaging and then I will tell you the main features of this product. Packaging contains a transmitter unit, a receiver unit, couple different style of mounts, a microphone, couple different cables, a thank you card, and instructions manual. Now let's review some of the main features of this product. It can be used as camera for voice recording or interview any celebrity or guest. This wireless microphone uses noise cancellation and overcome wind noise and environmental sounds. It can be easily connected with your mobile phone, whether it is Android or iPhone. However, you may need auxiliary to lightning adapter for iPhone. UHF frequency wireless transmitter allow you to select 30 frequencies to avoid signal interference. In an open, non-interference environment, transmitter and receiver can be 50 meters away without any issues in recording quality. However, in my testing at the end of this video, I was able to record voice at around 100-meter distance without any issues. The heart-shaped microphone chip recording pattern effectively captures human voice without recording too much of ambient sound, ensuring recording accuracy. That is all for this product features. Now let's install batteries in both transmitter and receiver units, power them on and test them in the field.
$50-meter marker with Debra Wireless testing 1 2 3. $100-meter marker with Debra Wireless testing 1 2 3.
I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please subscribe to my channel and I will see you in the next video very soon.